HIPAA is the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996. This is the official government website for HIPAA. HIPAA covers any written, verbal, or electronic communications. Never discuss or review any information regarding a client at a clinical site, unless the discussion or review is part of your assignment to the site. You are obligated to know and adhere to privacy policies and procedures of each clinical site. Medical records, accounting information, client information, and conversations between or among healthcare professionals about clients are confidential under this law and this agreement. You may not remove any record from the clinical site without written authorization. You may not disclose any information about a client during clinical except the medical staff of the clinical site, and this includes your clinical instructor. You must attempt to exclude as much of the following information as possible in learning experiences, classrooms, case presentations, class assignments, or research. All of this is covered under HIPAA. Basically, anything that can be linked to the client. Information included under HIPAA can be disclosed for healthcare training and educational purposes at Grand Canyon University. Otherwise, it remains confidential. Promptly report any violation of the clinical site's privacy policies and procedures, applicable law, or this confidentiality agreement by you or a Grand Canyon University student or faculty member to the appropriate Grand Canyon University clinical coordinator or program director. You will be subject to disciplinary action if violation of the privacy policies and procedures of the clinical site, applicable law, or this agreement are not adhered to. Let's talk about some what-ifs under HIPAA. If a spouse has not been appointed as a medical power of attorney, can they receive client information? Let's talk about some what-ifs with HIPAA. If a spouse has not been appointed as a medical power of attorney, can they receive client information? Can client information be placed in the trash or recycle bin? When you are working in healthcare, can you access your own medical record? The answer to all three is no. Questions? Please reach out to your course professor. Are you ready for the HIPAA quiz? Questions? Please reach out to your course professor.